Orisy Consulting Services is a functionally outsourced service provider that manages warehouses, various supply chains of our clients. Our clients outsource their entire warehouse or supply chain functions to Orisy. We manage it end to end. We take full control, and our clients keep us liable and accountable through a balanced scorecard. And so yeah, we take care of our clients and improve efficiencies in their spaces.
My naam is Jeremy, ons kom van RSC af, ons is hier om te bungee jump.
Jaapie van Fullways, ons is hier vir 'n werksfunksie. Ek gaan van 'n brug af spring.
Moes so positief. Ek's bly ons doen bietjie iets donders gevaarlike bietjie.
Baie lekker. Sien julle.
Opgewonde. Ons gaan spring. Dis nou hier.
Nee, het was befop geweest. Ja.
Nee, moes so lekker. Enige tyd weer.